Hey there, Service Pros. This is Christian from Workiz. In this video, we're going to talk about getting started with Workiz as a new technician. If you're watching this, chances are you're a brand new technician who just got hired and invited to join your team's Workiz account. You probably received an email that looks something like this and might be wondering what's next. Let's walk you through everything you need to know to hit the ground running. First things first, let's accept this email invitation. Next thing is creating a password for our account. Pro tip, make sure you do this from a web browser and not the mobile app. You don't want to make the mistake of creating a new trial account. Next, head to your device's app store and download the Workiz mobile app. When you open the app, you'll be asked to grant a few permissions, like location tracking, Bluetooth, and notifications. Be sure to allow them for the best experience for you, your team, and your clients. Once the app is downloaded, we'll log in using the email address and password we just used to create the account. All right, let's take a quick tour. Something worth mentioning here. Your app may look a little different depending on the permissions that your admin has set for your user. You may be seeing other tabs that I'm not showing here, or you may not be able to see certain things that I am showing you. This is all based on what your admin decided. Regardless of your permissions, you'll always have access to these two tabs down here, Home and Schedule. The Home tab shows your jobs by status and gives you a simple overview of what's ahead. The Schedule tab shows your calendar and any jobs assigned to you. Speaking of jobs you've been assigned to, here's a quick look at the alert you'll normally receive when you've been assigned to a new job. Let's open up the job and show you everything you need to know to get started. The job page includes all the info you need: client name, address, phone number, job status, tags, equipment, tasks, and more. Need directions? Just tap the address and choose your preferred map app. Before you head out, make sure you send the client a pre-built On My Way message. If your admin set up On My Way Pro, it'll include your ETA, profile photo, and short bio, all visible in the client portal. Also, don't forget to update the job status so that your team can track your progress. Need to call the client? Just hit the phone icon right here to dial using Workiz phone. Now let's dive into job details. Here, you'll see things like the job description and custom fields. This is where your admin might ask you to upload before and after photos or fill out service-specific information. If your company offers memberships or service plans, you can easily enroll clients by tapping here and filling in the required details. Ready to get to work? Be sure to clock in so your hours are accurately tracked. Now let's move over to the Finance tab to show you how to create invoices and collect payments. You'll notice this job doesn't have a balance yet. That's because we haven't added any line items. We can do that right from our price book. You can find the items you're looking for by navigating through the different categories your admin created for you, or simply by searching for the line items you want to add. And if your company deals in equipment installations or maintenance, you'll want to pay close attention to this badge right here. Anytime you see an item is labeled as equipment, you'll be able to track the equipment so that your team can start logging detailed equipment history under this client's profile. Just head back to the Details tab and update the equipment with all of the missing information. If you ever come back to service this equipment, you'll have all this information readily available. Once you're ready to create an invoice and collect payment, we can head back to the Finance tab and hit this button right here. This is automatically going to pull all of the items we just added to the job and copy them onto the invoice. How you collect payment is going to depend on the client and/or how your company operates. You'll have two options: sending the invoice via text or email for the client to pay online through the client portal, or collecting payment directly through the mobile app. Let's show you how to collect payment using the app. If you're collecting an offline payment via cash or check, just choose one of those options and fill in the necessary details. If your business is set up with Workiz Pay, you can also accept credit and debit cards. Enter the card details manually or collect a secure, contactless payment using Tap to Pay right on your phone. Just hand the device to your client, let them choose a tip, and tap to pay. Need a signature? They can sign right on your phone and it will show up on the invoice automatically. Once the job's all wrapped up, head back to the Details tab to clock out and update the job status to Done or Done pending approval, depending on your permissions. And that's it. You're all set to start working with Workiz like a pro. For more information on anything that we covered in this video, check out the Workiz Help Center. It's packed with step-by-step guides and tips to help you get even more out of the app. Feel free to subscribe to this channel for all the latest on how Workiz can help your business grow. Thanks for watching.